Hello, day 7 of my travel diary sailing across the South Pacific. We finally made it to Raroia after a day and a half sail. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me turn the camera around so you can see what I'm looking at. This atoll is different than the last one. Several tiny little islands, whereas Amanu was one pretty much continuous island all the way around. And these are atolls. What that is as a large circular circumference of coral that used to surround a volcanic island. The island has since sucked back down into the ocean, leaving this coral ring. Absolutely beautiful.